everybody, it's Priscilla at Sola Stadiums in Wilmington, and I wanted to say happy Super Doubles. So if you're out on underneath a rock, today is Wednesday, and it is Super Doubles Day, the first day at Harris Teeter. My husband is putting up the groceries. There are so many free blah 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 blah. There we go. There are so many great deals this week. If you are doing the razor deal, the big razor, be very careful. That coupon does not automatically double, so you need to pay attention. There's nowhere on that coupon that states it does not double, so be very careful. My cashier manually put it in because I was fighting tooth and nail for that coupon. There was another one. The Oral-B toothbrushes, the $1 off 2, they do not automatically double, so they have to be manually entered because it says nowhere on that coupon that it does not double. So anyway, blah 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 blah, stop rambling, happy couponing, and y'all be safe.